Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another week here, the 9th of January, 2023. Looking at the crypto markets, guys. Appreciate all of the new subscribers. We are looking at Flare/Tether on BitTrue this morning. Today, at some point, is the Flare airdrop for some of those XRP holders, depending on where your XRP is. And if you were back, had some XRP back in December of 2020, and you qualified for the snapshot. So, anyways, we are looking at Flare this morning, getting a big old down day for Flare, down 52.5%. Got a rough looking head and shoulders here. And then this would be the right shoulder, which has been breaking down. You could also put a rough trend line here that has been broken as well. So we came in here. We were looking for if you go back to the last Flare video, we were looking for a break above this high here, right around that 55-cent mark. And that's why I put a line there. I was looking for a break above that. We actually came in with a lower high and broke to the downside, broke that. If you put a trend line, let me zoom in here on the chart. We didn't do this in the last video, but you could have. Let's see, if you put a trend line here and connected roughly like that, you obviously wouldn't want to see a break to the downside if you're bullish, and we saw that, so that was very concerning. And then also sometimes when you'll see a slightly lower high printed, which is what happened on the 4th of January, that high was 55 on the money, slight concern. And then sometimes those moves to come can be big. It's like when if you flip this chart upside down and you had a major low come in, it's kind of an example right here, actually. So you have a low come in right here on the 10th of November. Chopped out right here on the 23rd of November. You had a higher low, and then you had a massive move to the upside. So sometimes when you don't undercut major areas, you'll get the reverse move, and it'll be strong. And that's what we saw here. We had a lower high, and then boom, we had a massive fall to the downside. So I want to share two things here. So by the way, I don't hold any Flare. I should be receiving Flare actually at some point today. Looks like it's going to be about 50% cheaper than it was about a day or so ago. For now, we could see this thing up on the day, though. There should be extreme volatility today. Just so you guys know, at least if you're in the XRP family. So I have a downside area here that it would be good to see price find support here at 225. So that's 22.5. 22.5 cents. I have a potential support area. You can see the price is trying to get back up there, but so far we're not. That is an area to look for price to find support. That is a new area I just put on the chart. That's 22.5, 225. We also have another one down here, which is much, much lower. That would be at the 9-cent range. So far, today's low for Flare was, let's see what today's low was. The low was 15, so we didn't quite make it down to that 9 level. Basically stopped just about halfway. But right now we are very close to that 22.5 level as support. This thing is not looking good right now. Definitely had a break to the downside. If we find support and close above 22.5, maybe we'll see some kind of a rally. And like I said, today should be extremely volatile. We could see this be a green candle at some point today, but I just wanted to share two lower targets I have for Flare. One's at 22.5 and the other is way down there at 916. So that's 0916, basically at 9 cents. So let me know in the comments if you're receiving some flare today. I know if you had a positive XRP balance in your Uphold account on December 12th, I believe was the date, back in 2020, you will qualify for you should qualify for the snapshot that happened, and you should be receiving, I think it's 15% of your flare today, and then the rest down the road. As far as I know, Uphold is participating in the airdrop. So let me know in the comments if you'll be receiving some flare, and keep your eye on this today and XRP. We should see some extreme volatility across the board. This is a pretty good break to the downside. And like I said, 22.5 is a potential support area. It looks like on my screen here, it's an overall pretty good day for the crypto markets, just not flare. XRP and XLM, looks like XLM is up 3.5%, XRP up 1.5% for now. And yeah, let's see where this thing closes. Will it close in the green? Will it close in the red? Let me know in the comments. All right, guys, appreciate it. Be careful out there. Should see some extreme volatility, at least in the Flare XRP community today. All right, take care.